Starting from the payment till the selection of the materials, everything handled very beautifully. Conviction to us that yes, we can trust this organization. So buildAhome is like a blessing that come to us, and finally we got this very beautiful output. We are very happy customers and we are happy owners of this house. Hi, I'm Pramod. We are family of three. Being both are working professionals, we were looking for something this kind of turnkey project. House is something like it's dream home for us, and we put in all our savings to go for loan, everything. So this is everything for us. We were not knowing anything about the construction. We didn't had that much of time in terms of monitoring the work, what's happening, but complete onus has been taken up by buildAhome, starting from the site engineer, project manager, project coordinator, and obviously the architects. Everyone helped us a lot. On the day one, in fact, I had a dream that my elevation should be good. That is something that was my wish. That design shown by buildAhome is something that convinced us. And it is not one design, they have showed us multiple designs and structures. This has been well crafted by buildAhome, in fact giving 10 by 40 open space on the ground floor. No problem when it comes to the parking as well. I can park a scooter as well as 2 SUVs in that particular area. I had a dream to have a puja room in my house, matching two concepts. One is like Udupi Sri Krishna Mandir, where it has Kanaka Kendi, as well as Subramanya Matha concept. That is something I told architect initially that my puja house should be like this. That has been crafted very well. We wanted to have a skylight. From the second floor to the bottom is something that gives a lot of ventilation as well as natural lights. That is something has given added beautification to the house. In the first floor and second floor, we wanted something trendy. They could able to design a living area with a sitting arrangement with a balcony to have a sit out with 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom has come out very well. Being Orthodox family, we have a lot of these old books which you can see behind me. So for which I wanted a library specifically. So a separate space has been given, a reading space where I can enjoy reading my mythological books. These are the concepts that were there in our mind when we can only put it in words. But the real credit goes to buildAhome, who took the pain of designing it and presenting it to us in terms of different stages, and this is the beautiful outcome of the buildAhome's brain. And also adding to the second floor, along with the gymnasium and washing area, we have very beautiful spacious terrace with a pergola, so where we can hang out in the evening and the night. We're part of the housewarming ceremony. Appreciated a couple of things like which was very unique as compared to other houses, like our puja room. The texture painting and the interiors, the quality of work is something that everyone appreciated. When our dream home is matching what we wanted it to be, I can say that has not only met our expectation, that has exceeded our expectation, and we are happy. I thank buildAhome helping us to build this our dream home. Supports rendered by their architects, engineers. I thank from core of my heart. Thank you. Bunny, let's build a home.